Hi guys, this is up dog and down dog. I decided to put them together and we're even going to do some plank and show you how they're all interrelated. So let's come back to the mat. As I've said several times before in this video collection, remember, always warm up if you're doing any of these one at a time, fresh. You don't want to get injury. So I guess the best way to do this is as we have been doing it, to come to standing, and let's inhale our arms out and up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. You can put the hands on the shins. I'm going to turn now. Exhale, come down to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, elbows back for chaturanga. Now you can either come all the way to the ground, which we'll do now. Now to come up to upward dog, come up on your knees and then come up through plank. But instead of keeping your body as a board, dip into a back bend, bring your elbows in, tighten your back up, bring your neck up, and just come into that upward dog. So it's kind of like cobra. We'll come to it again. Your fingers are down by your breast line. Your toes are tucked under. You inhale up on your knees, and you push yourself up, not to plank though, to upward dog, where you're doing this nice back bend. From upward dog, you can go into plank, and then of course exhale to down dog. Let's take a look at down dog for a moment. Spread those fingers nice and wide on that mat and turn your elbows in. Let your head hang, relax it. And then with your hands gripping the mat, push your body diagonal and back. I'm going to just come around a little bit here so you can see better. Push it diagonal and back. And then you can pump your feet, and then eventually you want to just try to get them, sink your heels, wherever they go is fine. And there's your down dog. It's an active pose, so don't let your elbows get all wishy-washy. You're pushing constantly back diagonal. All right, and then from down dog, you should be able to come into plank or upward dog. And then exhale back to down dog. And then from down dog, you'll usually be asked to step your feet forward, 1, 2, and then to either come into a forward fold or a half fold, or both, bending your knees, reverse swan dive, come all the way up, hands up at the top, and bring them down to the heart center. So that was upward dog, downward dog, some plank. Stay tuned for the last video where we put it all together.